here at the Southern Clubs Leisure Park, and they're on their way. Fear no height, draws for your lead. Charge forward is right behind in second. Racing in third by the rail is Stellar Ace, Wolf Run, and trading the group is Royal Milestone. Heading towards the last 900, Fear No Height still leading the field, maintaining a 4 lengths lead. Running in second, Charge Forward, Wolf Run is on the outside. Third, almost catching the second spot is Stellar Ace, drops back in fourth, and Royal Milestone is still bringing up the rear. Heading towards the last 600 with Fear No Height still leading the field, this time by only 2 lengths. Wolf Run in second on the outside, and by the rail Charge Forward is Stellar Ace and Royal Milestone as they race to the last 450. Fear No Height still leading the field. Charge forward, moving up down on the inside, and Wolf Run, Stellar Ace with the last 150 more to run. We have the favorite Charge Forward now charging in with that 1.5 lengths lead over Fear No Height with the last 75 meters with a favorite Charge Forward winning this race by 2 over Fear No Height is Stellar Ace, Royal Milestone, and Wolf Run comes in last.
Naku, nadali mo na eh.